Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh god. Ah. Oh, that hurts so bad. I'm getting bruised tomorrow. Hello. Today's Sunday, and I am going to a photo shoot with my friend Dave Wiskowski because he's a photographer, and he offered to like lend me his services for photography. And I was like, you know, I've always wanted some cool yoga photos. I have some yoga photos that I took with my friend Amelie in Paris, but you know, can never have enough yoga photos. So we're going to my aunt and uncle's house in Cardiff because they have this big, beautiful, gorgeous white walled house with an ocean view, and so we're gonna shoot there, and my other friend Jesse's coming, and it's gonna be a grand time. Are you ready? This is Dave. He's my photographer for the day.
Hi there.
Woo, let's go. I can't believe my aunt recognized you from the video. That's funny. Jesse's here not for any particular reason, just cause you like Cardiff. I
love Cardiff.
And so he's gonna go on a run.
It's my cue to leave.
Yeah, he's interrupting our flow. I look so young. Do I look like a 12-year-old?
You look great. I don't think you look 12. Is that what you're going for?
There's this flower sculpture, and I definitely kicked it, and it was all my fault, and I felt so bad, but thankfully my aunt and uncle didn't make me feel so bad about it, and like parts of it shattered. It was traumatizing. I'm not zen at all anymore, Dave. R.I.P. flower.
Walk non-awkwardly.
I'm so awkward.
Okay, well, how about less slouching? Can we, I don't know, whatever you want to do. The light is amazing.
I hate it.
Okay, what are you going to do and where?
I don't know. Something like, you know, like a ninja. See, doesn't it look cute with shoes?
Sure.
Is that cool? Is it pretty? But I don't know if it looks cool. Does that look cool? Does that look cool?
I think that looks very cool.
I look super cool in those
yourself.
photos.
This is looking cool.
But it's not yet.
Not yet.
That looks really cool. My hair's like crazy. Ah, I was way closer than I thought. Wait, hold on, this is too close. Oh la la.
Do you want me to compliment you too, or is it just better when you compliment
I already
yourself?
know how cool it is. Like,
Okay.
I don't need my head filled anymore.
Okay.
Just what I put up.
Disclaimer, kind of sexy.
Kind of stuff.
When does the sexy part start?
I hate you.
I'm good.
This is my kind of photo. The awkward sort of halfway into a pose, not quite there, but I want it so bad. Are we going to the drum circle?
What's with that?
How do we get across? It's like a postcard. We're gonna catch the sunset.
Okay. What's the easiest way to get across?
My beautiful white shoes, guys. They're not white anymore. Oh, it's so pretty.
It's all good, and that's good. That's good.
Where do you want me to stand?
That's good.
Yeah, then I woke myself up, painted the scene they got. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she rolls something that stink good. Feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the grill and we filling up with the same food. She a 10 but she fitted with Adidas a size 9. Somehow it be feeling like we the same shoe. Damn, she really been buttering up the jam.
We did it. That was exhausting. My arms are so tired.
You worked hard.
You didn't do anything. You were just sitting there the whole time, just snapping away. Wait, is your phone out of your pocket? Okay. I hate men. He doesn't practice at all, And he just throws him. I hate you.
Don't worry, I can't do it at all. I tried.
Okay, I like you then.
Cause I'm good.
I could die like this. Pass me a tab, I could fry like this. Thoughts of the past are the highlight shit. My life's when the sunset, twilight shit. I ain't moving, I'ma lie like this. The rays bright all up in my eyes like shit. Chill, why don't you shut the blinds right quick?